In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gradebook for point-based grading in Excel. We're going to build a simple gradebook that totals student scores, then quickly finds the highest total and the class average. This is a great starting point if you want a clean, easy to manage spreadsheet for tracking performance. Start by opening Excel and creating a blank worksheet. Once you're in, enter your sample data. You'll want to lay out the spreadsheet so that each row represents one student and each column contains point values for different assignments or categories. In this example, the total will be calculated from the scores in columns B through D, so make sure your data is placed there. Column E will be used for each student's overall total. Next, click cell E2. This is where we'll calculate the total points for the first student. In that cell, type the formula equals sum, then open parentheses, B2 through D2, and close parentheses. The full formula is equals sum, open parenthesis, B2, colon, D2, close parenthesis. This tells Excel to add together the values in cells B2, C2, and D2. After entering the formula, press Enter. Excel will calculate the total score for that row automatically. If the numbers in B2 through D2 are entered correctly, you should immediately see the student's combined point total in E2. Now, to apply the same calculation to the rest of the students, drag the fill handle down. The fill handle is the small square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Click and drag it downward through the remaining rows in column E. Excel will copy the formula and automatically adjust the cell references for each student, saving you time and helping avoid manual errors. Once all totals are calculated, move to an empty cell and enter a new formula to find the highest total score in the class. Type equals max. Open parenthesis E2, colon, E4, close parenthesis, then press Enter. This formula checks the totals in column E and returns the largest value. Then, in another empty cell, enter equals average open parenthesis E2, colon, E4, close parenthesis. Press Enter again. This will calculate the average of all the total scores, giving you a quick view of overall class performance. Using sum, max, and average together is a simple but powerful way to turn basic grade data into something much more useful. As you build on this, keeping your data organized will make your gradebook easier to read and update. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.